Thursday, September 5th, second day of our new school year. So we have seats of your choice once again. As you come in, you've been trained to observe this screen that's up front. So as you do, notice you're to get your Chromebook out, log in if you know how, help others if you can. Those without your Chromebooks at this point, don't panic. It'll take us some time to get them all issued. Cell phones. I'm not sure who has addressed this new policy in our classes yet or not, so I'm just going to go ahead and get right to it because today, since it's a part of our lesson, we need to address it. Our new cell phone policy basically is this. It should be away. It should be off and away. It shouldn't go off in class. It's not to be on your person. So a pocket is not okay. It should go in your backpack, which should be separate from your body. We can go into the details some other time, but that's the plan. Outcomes, first names of the people at your table, how we're operating on brain science. But most of the day is doing. We need you to get into your Chromebook, enroll in Classroom, visit my public site, and enroll in Remind if you so choose. You've met those when you can say the first names of the people at your table. You can recall the 4 needs that you've logged into your Chromebook. You've gotten enrolled. We see you on the list of students enrolled in the class. You know how to access my site. We've done that in class. And that you've got a remind message if you chose to enroll. So the plan, after the welcome back, we do a quick day 1 review, pointing out the embedded screencast that you're hearing right now and where it's located in that slide. We get into Classroom, get everyone enrolled, and then we introduce you to the name sheet activity in the last final minutes of class. So here we go. Welcome to Classroom. We're going to pop onto Classroom through Clever. So access your Clever page up in your bookmarks. Hit the plus sign in Classroom, and I display the classroom code in class for each individual class. So all students are then enrolled. And then we take a tour of where to find things on Classroom, and that will be a separate screencast that I'll post later. Now that we're done with that and everyone's enrolled, we review any policies we need to based on the following calendar, emphasizing autonomy, competency, relationship, and fun. And there's the schedule. Today, it's really just 6th period where we review the tab procedure and everything else is taken care of. We take a look at my public website, and again, I have a tour of that in a screencast that we'll post separately, but this is where anyone who's not a student, I mean, students can access this as well, but if you don't have accounts through a school, you can still access materials that we use and know what's going on by visiting this public site. Our outcomes for the day were met. Again, if you can turn and say the names of everybody at your table, you can recall the 4 needs: autonomy, competency, relationships, and fun. And you're on your Chromebook, you're enrolled in class. You know where to find my public site, and you got the remind message. Speaking of which, remind information will be sent out via Classroom, the public site, and Skyward. We get a head start on our activity tomorrow and Monday, an associative learning activity in which we are going to know all of your names, your first names, by the end of Monday. And so here are some topics to think about that we might start to work on today that's going on paper. Other than that, that's our day, and hopefully you had a good day, and we will see you again tomorrow.